Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to fully explain freelancing, what it is, how it works, and exactly how people earn money from it. If you're tired of 9-to-5 jobs or you want to make money online from home, freelancing is one of the fastest and most realistic ways to start. No scams, no fake promises, just real work for real pay. Let's break it down from the basics. What is freelancing? Freelancing simply means working for yourself instead of one company. You offer a service, a client hires you, you complete the work, and you get paid per project or per hour. You are not an employee, not on a fixed salary, free to choose your clients and schedule. Think of freelancing as being a one-person business. Companies and individuals hire freelancers because it's cheaper than full-time employees. They need short-term or specific skills. They want fast results. What services can you offer? This is the most common question. What can I do as a freelancer? Here are popular freelancing services: writing, articles, blogs, copywriting; graphic design, logos, social media posts; video editing, voiceover work; web design, social media management; virtual assistant tasks; data entry; AI-related services, prompt writing, automation. Important truth: you do not need to be an expert. You just need a skill that solves a problem. Where do you find freelance work? Freelancers get work from online platforms. The most popular ones: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, people per hour. Here's how it works. 1. You create a profile. 2. You list your services. 3. Clients search or post jobs. 4. You apply or get contacted. 5. You deliver the work. 6. You get paid. Payments are secure and usually sent to bank account, PayPal, Payoneer. How do freelancers actually earn money? This is where it gets interesting. Freelancers earn money in 3 main ways. 1. Per project. Example: logo design, $50 to $500. Article writing, $30 to $200. 2. Hourly. Example: $15 to $100 per hour depending on skill. 3. Monthly contracts. Example: social media management, $500 to $3,000 per month. The more experience and trust you build, the more you can charge. How much can you realistically make? Let's talk real numbers. Beginners: $200 to $500 per month, first 1 to 2 months. Intermediate freelancers: $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Experienced freelancers: $5,000 to $10,000 plus per month. Your income depends on skill level, time invested, communication, client satisfaction. Freelancing income scales with effort. How to start freelancing. Step by step. Here's a simple beginner roadmap. 1. Pick one skill. 2. Learn basics from YouTube or free courses. 3. Create a strong profile. 4. Add 2 to 3 sample works. Even fake projects are okay. 5. Apply to jobs daily. 6. Deliver work on time. 7. Ask for reviews. Consistency beats talent. Common freelancing mistakes. Avoid these mistakes. Trying to learn too many skills, charging too low forever. Poor communication. Missing deadlines. Quitting too early. Most people fail not because freelancing doesn't work, but because they give up too fast. Final advice and outro. Freelancing is not magic. It's a skill-based income system. If you treat it like a business, it can pay your bills, replace your job, give you freedom. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, every successful freelancer started with 0 clients. If this helped you, like, subscribe, comment freelance, and I'll share beginner resources. See you in the next video.